They wondered what kind of freak would have a scorpion for a pet. Two of them held me down and made me watch. Tears don't fix anything, so I vowed to never do it again. I want names.
Don't know who they were.
You scared, kid? Pigsley's sister.
Hey, freak. This is a closed practice.
The only person who gets to torture my brother is me.
Ah!